This is Beng Tsonga in essay with Samson Mabasana.
Fumani and Shulubana, in Joburg, it was intentional for not to have an open audition because we knew that there's a lot of chancellors who would come there saying they know Tsonga, was no Tsonga, and then we went to Giyani. First, we were like over 600 people there, and then we came there to Joburg, no, Polokwane, where again a lot of people. So, but the interesting part now, this equally throughout the auditions, a lot of people. Yes, that's why I realized the importance of having an industry for Tsonga.
Yeah.
Because what I picked up throughout those auditions, because we never had any reference to how acting is like.
Yeah.
I promise you, over 90% came there using radio acting technique.
No Mafenya brothers.
Yes.
No.
Well,
Man, he auditioned.
Masoli Magam.
Masoli. Masoli is good. In a sense, I've done a movie with him before.
Yeah.
Where of course we discuss certain things. He has an idea of it, but because he speaks solely, a lot of people are now in radio, and then that's what worked against a lot of people. And they thought, oh, but for land, and no, guys, these are low. I'm following hand. It's because we were not exposed as Tsonga to these things. The only acting we're ever exposed to as Tsonga is the radio one. So it makes sense because man act that way.
Even got reading, I thought Musa, Man Wiseman was a radio guy. I was like, why is he reading like a radio presenter? Look, hey, and I was seriously doubtful. Look, hey, the man, we are going to act like a robot, right?
No, I feel like local that they reading. I know they give a script now, and then we usually used to English.
Yeah.
So now you're having to read stronger and trying to act at the same time. But then when you sit down on the script by yourself and prepare, it's a different story than you just reading.
But again, guys, you know what's the biggest thing?
Yeah.
The biggest issue, because our industry, Tsonga, was never exposed.
Yeah.
So even translations,
it was difficult.
It becomes very difficult. Where we have not yet established a speaking way of Tsonga in the industry.
Even like an industry dialect.
Even an industry dialect, like
it's not there.
Yes.
So anyway, Princess Eligiani, welcome. I'm Kela.
And for Gile, I'm sorry I'm late.
Wanted to make an entrance.
This is not an entrance.
Cinderella.
I just got here now. How's everyone doing?
Okay.
So where were you when you got the call? Yo, that
Where was I?
Like, what do you remember? What
Oh,
was
with me, I remember my agent giving me the brief. Well, it wasn't the brief, just Romela email there's a Tsonga drama coming out. And it was 2 weeks before the initial audition. So I was like, whatever, like, why are you telling me 2 weeks before? Why aren't you giving me a brief? And then after 2 weeks, actually, brief and there's like these auditions. So even the brief, the line, and I went there. When I went there, I was just really so calm. It was not like any other audition that I go to. As I don't know why, because I think maybe I was just so tired of auditioning at that time. I was just like, this is just like,
the usual.
Yeah, the usual. So Nifika, I chilled, watch people be nervous. I was like, I don't know, I'm not nervous.
Oh, wow.
And then even in Nanukuma Fumani and Obey there, I actually thought I would get you. For some reason.
Wow.
Some reason. Yeah, I don't know. But it's because I've been to an audition before where you were there. Out there like Eben Brew. I think they were your auditions.
You came for that audition?
Yeah.
No.
I was there.
Oh my God. You came for that audition?
I was there. So I went in and I saw them and I didn't know Bay. I knew for money. Na Mamkendi. Yeah, na Mamkendi Argona. And I auditioned with Fumani and it went well. And then Fumani, when I walked out, he was like to me, Ungena Queenie, where did you go? Where did you study? Even Ungena TUT. And then where do you live? I was like in Pretoria. And he's like, oh, okay, cool. But for some reason, I was like, and for some reason, after that, I was like, maybe he really liked how I portrayed the character.
That's a sign.
And
I actually did like it.
Yeah.
I loved it. I think she was the first person who came in, except Obed Baloyi. Not Obed, what's his name? Charles. Charles was the first one to come in. He nailed the crap out of it. But when she came, out of the new people.
So I was like, maybe I got it. But I don't want to like take my hopes so high, because sometimes you get that, especially with ad auditions. Oh, he's so good. He's so good.
He's so nice.
I'll
Only you don't even get a call back.
So it's like.
Bari in makaya. Loko mikuma there's maybe byela ku kuna xitori xa Xitsonga xi nge le kuteni, and I am one who are part of the leads. What ri in kaya? Is there pressure or batsakeni ku ri hayi no famba va cakunye?
My mom was mina tsakile ngopfu.
Mina man ni va hlamusele after hikuva na swi tiva loko va byela ta sungula, because mina before my callback, well loko ya ka callback na Mathabo or Bay, I go, no man, it looked really nice, you know. Remember when we finished our callback together, he's like, oh, it's nice, it's cool. But in my mind, I'm thinking, yeah, Paramango, it's cool. Next thing you don't comment. It happens. I go, no, we need to send it to the SABC because apparently they confirm and they approve. But I go, no, man, it went well. But again, I was not sure, and I didn't tell my mom. I mean, village le quite hey, very one minute TV already.